everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we're opening up Vellabox, a monthly candle subscription, and this is actually the second time we're opening it this month. So I get Vellabox in PR, and I also get one through paying for it, so that speaks volumes. I like it so much. I get 2 every month. So I asked you guys recently if you wanted to see my paid box as well, or if you didn't want to see a duplication of boxes, but you guys said sure. So that is what we're doing today. So if you guys have missed or not seen my Vellabox unboxings in the past, let me just tell you briefly what it is. So like I said, it's a candle subscription. They have 3 different subscription plans starting at $10, so they're $10 to $30, and I have a code with Vellabox to save you $5 off your first month, no matter what plan you choose. So I will link them down below along with that code. It is an affiliate link, so thank you everyone who uses it. It helps me out at no extra cost to you, so appreciate it very much. But yeah, the candles are so great. So here is the candle I received in the box last week. I'm loving it, Sandalwood and Smoke. So there is a profile you fill out when you subscribe to let them know what your scent preferences are. So this candle should be different. I haven't peeked yet. So we can kind of get an idea of what multiple candles are. So there's like 4 different candles each month, I believe, and they're seriously so good. They come from local artisans throughout the United States. They're all made in small batches, hand poured. They're free of any icky toxins, and their burn time is amazing. They smell so good. I love that they support small businesses. And yeah, I love it. And they're a very sustainable, eco-friendly company. You get a free gift each month, no matter what plan you have. And yeah, it's awesome. And they always come in a canvas bag too, the candles. So it's like you get like an additional item. And you even get a Spotify playlist each month. It says create space for peace, happiness, and self-respect, and dance parties in the living room. Isn't the canvas bag so cute this month? So I get the Vellabox. And I'm just going to grab this stuff and then put it to the side. So I get the Vellabox just for anyone who was wondering. So the candles this month came from Sage and Bloom, and they are based out of McCordsville, Indiana. And this is made by owner and artisan Amber, who started Sage and Bloom in 2018 after being fed up with commercial chemical-loaded products. Yeah, for real. Did you guys know a lot of candles have a bunch of chemicals? They do not in this subscription box. So she wanted to find solutions that were less harsh and more natural, so she began making her own, less toxic, and consciously created. At Sage and Bloom Company, they use fine fragrance oils with complex scent profiles. Every candle is made with 100% natural wax for an even, clean burn. The fragrances are mutagen-free, carcinogen-free, phthalate-free, and never tested on animals. Amber describes their product line as chic and modern with an earthy twist. She strives to make each product unique and special with each detail. Check out their site for more variations and an array of beautiful vessels and other aroma products and accessories. So it's sageandbloomco.com. You can use code VELLA10 for 10% off. Awesome. And it is a different fragrance, so awesome. So this one's Sandalwood and Smoke. It smells so freaking good. You can see I've already burned a decent amount of it. But yeah, look how cute this canvas bag is. I love it. So let's see. So we have fig trees and freesia. Ooh, I love fig. Oh, I should have bought some figs and dates. I want to eat more of that. Dates are so good. But anyways, we're not talking about food here. So this is in the scent category, fresh and sweet and spice. And this was like the woodsy one. So here is what the labeling looks like. Love it. 16-ounce candle. Let's take a whiff. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. So let's see what the notes are, and then I'll have you guys take a big measure whiff in, and I'll read the description so you can get a sensory experience still. So the notes are ozone, freesia, jasmine, geranium, fig, cherry blossom, green leaves, bamboo, moss, powder, saffron, patchouli, and wood. Wow, there's a lot in there. I can't even sniff it. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, you guys, I'll hold this up and take the whiff in. Ready? Okay, a sweet, soft, and delightful fragrance to make your home feel extra happy. filled with sophisticated notes like fig, cherry blossom, ozone, and moss. Burn this one to elevate moments of relaxation and self-care. Oh, it smells so good. I wish there was smell-o-vision. Oh my god, seriously, so good. These are like really different. They definitely fit the categories they're in very well. So you can like, if you want to repurchase your candles, so they do have a shop, Vellabox, as well. So if you go on the website, I'll link down below. They have subscriptions, obviously, but they also offer like just candles. So if you've seen a candle I've gotten, but you don't want to subscribe, you can still buy that candle from their shop. And they have other things like snuffers, etc. But you can scan this here just to go to that page or to repurchase, which is nice and convenient. And now, candle, amazing. I'm seriously always so happy with the candles. And their extra items are always really neat and cool too. So, surprise item is Keys to My Happy Place Leatherette keychain. It has a $14 value. And it is vegan leather, just FYI, but I'm going to place this down. Let's read what it says. I think it's so cute, and I love that. Keys to My Happy Place. And I feel like candle lovers, your home is a sanctuary, right? So this is so true. So it's the place that keeps us warm on a cold day, the place where we spend quality time with the ones we love most, the place that gives us room to learn and grow, the place where we build memories, the place where we can be our truest selves. Home is our happy place. So I think that's so sweet too, the description here. So this is a light tan, vegan leather, engraved lettering, gold key ring. I love this. I think this is so sweet and so cute, good quality. And I love that it's vegan. And everything they do is like sustainable, so I'm not shocked at all that this is vegan leather, but I appreciate that. But that was everything, you guys. What do you think? I've been really enjoying this candle. Like I said, I can't wait to burn this one. I love candles. If you guys like candles, I definitely recommend this. Definitely try it out and use my code. Also, I always recommend this is the best subscription to gift people because, like, who doesn't love candles, you know? I feel like almost everyone does. So if you're, like, wondering what to get someone, like, a candle subscription is so nice, so lovely. Any time of the year you can get this. And also if you're getting a last-minute gift, like, with subscription boxes in general, you can get it and subscribe for them, and then you can, like, print something out and just, like, put it in an envelope and show them that. So, and give them that. So then they like know their present is coming, and you're like, you can do that seriously like day of. So super awesome. I love it. But yeah, I love Vellabox so much. Again, I get 2 boxes a month. I love it that much. My mom's been loving it just as long as I have for years. Let me know if you guys get this. What are your thoughts? Are you loving Vellabox? And do you get a different scent family? Did you get a different one than I did? So again, I got sandalwood and smoke, and also fig tree and freesia. Both smell amazing. Love them so much. But yeah, I can't wait to hear your thoughts down below. Let me know how you're doing and your thoughts on this box and thoughts on anything. I love hearing from you guys. I appreciate you so much. I'm grateful for each and every one of you. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and I will see you tomorrow. I love you so much. Bye.